season is going to be a season of love, or it's a season of love, right? Yeah. So Shazys Chophouse will not only be giving discounts for food, but also will be giving giveaway free food. I'll just go for the first 10 people. That's so sad. I'm sorry, but I know just 10 people eligible for this giveaway. You have to follow the steps. Number 1 step. You have to follow Shazys _ Chophouse on IG, on Instagram. Number 2 step, you have to make sure you subscribe to like Shazys Chophouse. Just for me to identify you, I would like for you to like give me a screenshot, and then you permit you to slide into my DM on Shazys _ Chophouse IG. Number 2 question, what's my first YouTube video and what is it all about? What's the recipe all about, and stuff like that? Yeah, so that's it. Then the last but not the least, number 4, you have to tell me the common ingredient I never use in preparing my dish. I mean, if you don't watch the video, how would you know? For you to answer these questions, on my latest posts on IG at Shazys _ Chophouse, like tag at Shazy, just like so, at Shazys _ Chophouse, a hashtag Shazys Chophouse, hashtag Shazys Chophouse giveaway, hashtag Christmas giveaway. So that's the 3 hashtags and just 1 tag about fried rice, jollof rice, and chicken. It's not just a regular fried rice, jollof rice, chicken. This is Christmas fried rice, Christmas jollof rice, Christmas chicken. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. So hurry now, because I'll be picking just 10 peeps, just 10 people. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you're ready to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy, spread love always, not just the season because it's Christmas, but every day as it is important. Why not spoil them with love today, now, and forever? Happy Christmas will go along. Love you guys. Don't forget to spread love. Bye.